Hello, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition presenting Try Something New for the month of November. We're doing mashed rutabaga. So here we have our rutabaga. You can see there's a root and a stem side. We're going to start off by peeling the rutabaga, and once we get all of that done, we're going to cut off the root and the stem. Those are a bit thicker and harder to peel. Alright, now we're going to cut it up into approximately 1-inch cubes. Ooh, where'd you go, buddy? Get back here. Let's get these stacked up. They're like a deck of cards. And now that we have that completely diced, we're going to move it to a empty pot on a cold stove and then cover the rutabaga with cold water. Then we're going to turn it on and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add some salt and set a timer for 10 minutes. Alright, here our rutabaga has cooked for 10 minutes, and as you can see it's fork tender, which means it's about done. We're going to drain the rutabaga and transfer it to a prep container. Then we're going to add some butter and some pepper. Now it's time to mash away. Alright, now our rutabaga is all mashed up. And here's a delicious bite of mashed rutabaga, which we'll be serving for Try Something New. We hope you join us. A special shout out to Brianna for sharing her family recipe with us. Thank you so much. And if you're interested in making this recipe at home with your little chef, here's a recipe.